Hi, I'm Matt Muenster, home improvement TV host, and for years I've helped homeowners transform their homes. But now it's time to focus on mine. So when we bought this house 5 years ago, we immediately fell in love. It's this mid-century modern kind of time capsule. And one of my favorite parts is all of this natural light, these giant floor-to-ceiling windows everywhere, but it comes with its challenges. Like that one right there. That seal's been broken on that window for years. I can't get rid of the cloudiness in that window. It drives me nuts, especially with how beautiful it is out there. But the thing is, this house was designed by a man named Ralph Rapson. And Rapson's kind of one of the mid-century modern masters. He went to school with all those guys, the Charles and Ray Eames, the Errol Saarinen, and he did some houses in this neighborhood, and this is one of them. And I've got the blueprints up on the wall. And most of what's in those blueprints are still legit today. So what I want to do with the windows here, I want to respect what I see in those drawings and have the new windows look like they've always been here. Now, one of my favorite spots in this house actually isn't technically in this house, but it's on the other side of this wall. It's this courtyard. I'm going to show you what's up out there. So this is the courtyard, one of my favorite spaces in this whole house. And what I love about it is we renovated it. I can sit out here in the sofa, listen to this water feature, and I should be able to come out here and relax at the end of the day. But all I can do is see this window. This nasty window into this room, ooh, that's completely disintegrating before my very eyes. This is the window that's indicative of everything in this house. 60 years and it's time to replace these windows. So where do you start, right? You've got these unique windows and these gigantic holes in the house and it fills you with anxiety when you rip them out. Whoever you use, you need to trust. So I'm gonna go with Renewal by Andersen, the full service window replacement division of Andersen. It's happening now. Stay tuned.